So today guys, I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroomed Carmen to show you. This is a lovely Carmen. Now it has raised walls and double gates into a driveway, as you can see. We're on Sector B, so just down the road there you can see the golf club from here. And at the very top of that road you can see Consum. I can see the letters from here. So you're quite close to all the amenities. So just inside the gates you have a carport. Probably got enough room for 2 very small cars, or 1 car and a motorbike maybe. Okay. And you have the decorative balustrade there. Looks over the pool area, and that looks a very inviting pool. You've got a storage room there where you can keep all your cushions and that off your chairs. And you've also got little lights on the steps there going up if it was the evening. Got loads down here all laid to shale, and I just come down here very quickly and show you, because there is a water point, and this is your storage because you've got a log burner in this property. All right, so I'm just going to go inside. It's really large, really beautiful, full wraparound conservatory here. Just give you a quick view of everything, and then I'll go back around. So we're going to go back around through the main house first, and then I'll show you the rest. So just going in here, you've got your front door there. This is a nice little vestibule here. You've got the kitchen just here, so you've got a modern light there, frosted glass window and door. You've got your work counter there with your place for putting your wine bottles or whatever. And I just want to point out, this here, not an oven, it's a wine cooler or a drinks cooler. Okay, if I just pan around here, you can see you've got an integrated gas hob. You got your water filter tap and your tap there. Plenty of units, top and base, and you've got a microwave oven integrated into the unit there, as well as your oven. You've got nice frosted glass units there as well. Your extractor hood. It's all really done, really nice. All fitted in. How to open this? So, and then you got your fridge there. Okay, so a very nice modern kitchen. So let me go out and around. Something's telling me just to give you another quick peek here. Okay, so just in here you have central heating throughout the property here, mind. And you have aircon. You have a ceiling light and fan there. You've got dual aspect windows, and this is your living space. You've also got this fabulous featured fireplace. It's a great space to relax and lounge in, and it's lovely and cool here. So the aircon is definitely working. So let me go through the archway here now. So just here guys, you have this double wardrobe, so you can put your ironing board or your vacuum cleaner, whatever you want in there. It's integrated into the wall and has overhead storage. So let me go in here. This is the bedroom with the ensuite. Quite a large bedroom. It has ceiling light and fan and aircon. You've also got your radiator under the window. Recess blackout blinds on the windows, as well as insect screens. So nice big bedroom, And of course you got your plugs and sockets on either side for your lampshades. Just going to pan around for you. And there's your integrated double wardrobe with your overhead storage. So let me show you. Just here you have more cupboard space, integrated as well with overhead storage. And just in here, of course, is your ensuite. Beautiful ensuite, very modern mirror, tiles, lovely vanity unit and WC. All really nice. And then you have your heated towel rail, I couldn't get that out, towel rail there. And your frosted glass window there with a nice little blind on it. So I'm just going to stand in here and just show you. This is a rain head shower. Really nice and modern. And this bathroom is tiled from ceiling to floor. And really beautiful. Okay. So let us do the next bedroom then. You've got a little square bit here. So in here is your guest room. You have records and blackout blinds on the windows, as well as insect screens. You have got aircon there, and you've got a lovely modern ceiling light and fan in here as well. This will take a double bed, but it's set out for 2 people here if you have some guests over. You have a radiator there, and you've got integrated overhead storage and a double wardrobe. They are sliding doors, and a beautiful picture of the beach. I'm sure that's Bolnanuevo, because our beaches down here are beautiful and wide. And it's only 8 kilometers from our beaches as well. So let's go into the next bedroom. So just in here is another bedroom. It's another double bedroom, so they're all good size rooms. You can see they're all like good double size bedrooms. You have your ceiling light and fan, and you have your aircon. Really nice bedroom. I just shut the door here and then I can pan around for you. You got switches and sockets, plenty of them in this room, and you've got where you could put a TV in here as well. You've got integrated wardrobe with overhead storage and your radiator under the window. Okay. Really nice bedroom. So just in here is the family bathroom, frosted glass window with insect screen. You got your shower there in the bath with a clear screen, shower screen. You have got a heated towel rail, that's from the oil central heating. You have got your WC and a nice vanity unit there. You've also got a nice mirror with modern light. All done very nicely. And that's a rain head shower in there as well. I do like those tiles. I think they're absolutely beautiful. So guys, so if you're interested in this property, guys, do come and have a look. Get in contact with info@tolettoselltobuy.com. So I'm just going to take you outside and we'll go up to the solarium. So of course outside the kitchen you have this area which is part of the wraparound terrace. And if I just show you here, you've got central heating radiators here as well. This property is very well maintained, central heating and aircon throughout. Just here is a lovely terrace. Now these are nice tiles here, and you have your little table and chairs there where you can have your breakfast. Just here is a spiral staircase, which is amazing. I'm going to take you upstairs. So see you upstairs, guys. So up here is your rooftop solarium. Gets a lot of sun here. The walls are raised. So if you wanted to sunbathe privately, you could. And you get an all over tan. Just there is storage. Just opened the storage for you just to give you a look, and as you can see, it's under the eaves and plenty of storage. It goes right back. So let me take you downstairs now, guys. I'm back downstairs. And as you can see, we've got a pergola down there and a lovely area for outside dining. See you downstairs, guys. So guys, I'm back down the stairs now. And as you can see, all the balustrade is done in chrome and glass, with lovely steps. And let's go downstairs. We have a lovely area there for outside dining, as you can see. We also have an underbuild here, so I'm going to take you around and have a look at that. So all this is all lit up. See the lights at the very bottom. The steps are lit up all around. Solar lights as well as the electric. And you got fabulous barbecue there. Lovely decorative pergola here. And that also has spotlights in it. So this is a great place for dining out in the evening or whatever. You have this lovely area here amongst the lemon trees where you can sit, but you would need to have some cushions made, unless they've already got them here, because concrete gets quite hot in the summer. You've got a gas boiler, and that's your oil for your oil central heating. You've got a water point here as well, places to put your brooms and brushes. So just in here is your underbuild. And if I show you, give you a quick look, there is your washing machine and tumble dryer here, loads of storage, and of course you've got steps down to the area as well. So I'm just going to go back outside now. So as you can see, there's lemon trees, they haven't come to anything yet, and grapefruit trees. And you've got all that area up there that's wasted that you could do something with. Okay. So this has all been done out for outside living. As you can see, you've got your barbecue, your outside dining. You've got this fabulous pool up here. So let's have a look at this. Beautiful pool. Very ornate decorative walls, and that's all lighting all the way, and you've got a shower at the other end there as well. Really fabulous pool. So if you're interested in this property, guys, don't forget info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and do contact us. Reference number is in the title of the video. And don't forget to share on your social media, guys. Till the next time, take care.